tuning in one more time to Prop Making 101. Oftentimes you'll be carrying tools. Tools are in your tool bag, which we discussed in one of our previous episodes. Watch this thing here is called a speed square. Speed squares are often found inside your tool bags. These are the ones you'd be wearing around town, doing whatever you do. So, we'll go over that today. Speed square has a number of uses. It squares up, that's a true 90. It also pivots for giving you angles. You've got a degree of, you need to make a common degree of, let's call it 55 degree. This handy tool, from the pivot point back to the degree, on the same plane will give you 55 degrees. So our 55 degrees could be achieved like that. That would be a 55 degree. Here's 55 on the same plane as your pivot. So this is a pretty handy tool. That's the same tool that gave you your 90, which is the same tool that gives you your 45. So all of these are from the same tool. Another one of the fantastic ones we carry in our tool bag. Alright, here's another one of the tools in which we have carried in our tool bag as well. This is known as a cat's paw. Got its name from the friendly look, like a cat's paw, both ends. But what it actually is a nail puller. What this does is it digs into the lumber. It allows you to pry it. As you can see, there's an angle on that. It allows you a little bit of prying, and in worst case scenario, you have a bigger pry. You have what we call a pivot point in order to lift the nail up and out of the surface. So you would bury the toe and roll it back on its heel, and that would extract the nail. So once again, another handy tool, often to be used with a hammer. You would strike the tool to bury it into the lumber, just enough to get underneath the head. Pry down, push down, allow it to be pried up. The reverse side, it would be the same. You lay the tip of the cat's paw just in front of the head of the nail, striking it, which then would enable this to seat, and then you would simply peel back, which would lift it up. I would extract the nail. So these are tools, handy tools that you'll need. As a prop maker, be sure you get a good friend of it.